These pipe cookies are crispy, melt in your mouth, requires a few ingredients and are addictive. Hi, welcome to Vicky in the Kitchen. If you are new here, you can join us by subscribing and let's get started. So to your mixing bowl, you are going to add room temperature margarine. Then you are going to add some granulated sugar and then you are going to mix this until it's light and fluffy. Thank you to all my returning subscribers for coming back to watch. I am so grateful for your support. Don't forget to give this video a like for me, and if you are new here, you are welcome once again. Once it's light and fluffy like this, we are going to go ahead and add 1 egg yolk and then some vanilla extract. I'll be leaving all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box for you to check that out. You can definitely use any flavor of your choice. Just be yourself and enjoy. Once it's nice and well combined, you are going to go ahead and add your dry ingredients, starting with your flour, then your cornstarch and a pinch of salt. Cornstarch helps the pipe biscuits to maintain their shape when baking, okay? So take note of that. We'll combine this until it comes together. We don't want any idle flour particles anywhere, so make sure you mix this very well. Once it's nice and well mixed, you want to set that aside. So we are going to be using this nozzle for the piping. You can use any nozzle of your choice because this dough pipes really well. Then we are also going to be making use of a piping bag. So what we are going to do is that you put your nozzle into the piping bag and then you cut off the excess parts of the bag. Alright, so now everything is set. We just need a glass or a cup. You put your piping bag inside and then wear it for it like a dress, okay? Then you scoop your dough into it. Now I'm making more room for some more dough. Remember not to fill the piping bag to the very end because we'll need space to squeeze the bag. Next, we are going to squeeze the bag and then allow the dough to move to the tip of the nozzle. If your dough is a bit tough, you can add about a tablespoon of milk and then put it in the piping bag and pipe again. It should be good enough, okay? So we are going to pipe this, making sure that we are leaving space between the cookies because they are likely to spread a little in the oven. For these biscuits, you can pipe them round and you can also pipe them like a star, just like I'm doing. You can be creative and pipe them in any shape or form that you like. Your oven should be preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure it's nice and hot to receive the cookies. Once the cookies go in, they can bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, but make sure you're keeping an eye on them. And once that is done, your cookies will come out nice and golden brown on the edges. And let them cool down completely in order to enjoy it to its maximum. When they cool down, they become nice and firm, and you will enjoy that crunch that comes with it. I'm believing that this video was helpful to you and you are also going to be making cookies all by yourself with simple ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And remember, God loves you and has a great plan for your life. See you next time. Bye.